Welcome back to the Scottage. Still at Fortuna Pond. I couldn't bring myself to leave yet. Had the best weather all winter that I've had, so it's been like 28 degrees and sunny and by the water and everything else. Why bother leaving when I have such a beautiful spot right by the water? Uma loves it. She's got lots of friends to play with. I've been hanging out with people around here, so yeah, it's a good spot. Why bother leaving, right? So yeah, I am just doing some more meal prep for going home. Well, making dinner for tonight, and then I'm gonna freeze some. But I'm making pulled chicken tacos. Doing it in the slow cooker again. I have to go to town so I can throw it in the sink again and let it cook all day because it has to cook for like 6 hours. So I can leave my inverter on. I'm driving to town, so I'll charge my batteries and so on. But yeah, it's pretty simple. It's just onions, chicken, diced tomatoes, and taco seasoning. And that's all you got to put in the pot first, and then I think you just slow cook it for 6 hours. But anyhow, I'll take you through the recipe when I'm done dicing the onions. Alright, so I've never made this before, but it looked pretty easy. I actually saw it on TikTok and it looked pretty delicious. Looked up the recipe on Google, and this is the one I found. So it's pretty simple. Just a small can of diced tomatoes. This is an Instant Pot Mini, by the way, so it's only like 4 quarts, 6 quarts. I don't know. So yeah, diced tomatoes, bunch of onions. I'll put in the taco seasoning mix. Stir all that together. Alright, throw the chicken on top of that. Nice and simple the way I like it. Just dump a bunch of stuff in and let it cook all day. I got a busy life doing nothing. So yeah, get everything mixed together. And that's it. Just gonna put that on the slow cooker for 6 hours. In the old Instant Pot. And let it cook. Alright, so I'm just going to clean up some dishes and pack up, put the Instant Pot in the sink so I can go to town and get some stuff. Gonna get something special for Uma's dinner tonight. I think she's getting pretty sick of her puppy food, so I'm gonna try something different with her. And I gotta get a few other things for the tacos. So yeah, let's clean up and get the hell out of here. Instant Pot is in the sink. Dishes are done. Van is ready to go. Seats are turned around. Just gotta get the heck out of here and go to town. So let's go. Alright, so when I'm going to town, I want to keep this spot because some of the areas around here don't have good internet at all. I had to move when I got here at the beginning of the week because I basically had no internet in the van, which sucks, obviously, not having data. So yeah, found this spot. It's a good spot. And yeah, to keep my spot, I leave my carpet here in the chair and Uma. No, I'm just kidding. I leave her leash. But of course I don't leave Una here. But yeah, do a quick walk around, make sure everything's buttoned up, nothing's hanging out on the vehicle. All good. Oh yeah, I also leave these leveling blocks. Just so as people are driving up, they kind of see it. So they know that somebody's camped here. Or usually one of the neighbors will say something. So yeah, anyhow, off to town for a shower and some groceries. Yeah. You ready for a car ride, Uma? Here's that tail. Who's a good girl? You get your special dinner tonight? Here's a good lesson, people. Always remember, close your damn drawers. Lock them. Get it all flown open. All right. Now we can get out of here. Hi. Thanks. Sure. Hours are up, so we're going to check the temp first. Make sure the chicken's cooked thoroughly. Use my handy dandy meat thermometer. Yep, it's definitely cooked. Alright. Okay, so now that that is cooked, I'm just going to use a couple forks and start shredding up the chicken. Yeah, that looks good. I think I'm just going to leave it like that. And leave the lid off it just to get rid of a little bit of this liquid so it thickens up a little bit. But it's looking good. It's smelling great. Yeah, alright. I'll leave that for like an hour to burn off some of the liquid. And we're good to go. I'll be back. Look what Miss Uma is getting for the first time. Frozen chicken. Uma, come. What's this? Well, let's get a couple of these plated up. I ended up buying medium tortilla shells. I probably should have bought the smalls for tacos, but I can basically make like burritos out of these. So let's get into it. I have this mix that's like guacamole and tomatoes on top. Get the guac from below. Spread that out. guac, a couple jalapenos, what else? Cheese. And of course, yummy pulled chicken. It smells delicious in here. Well, a bit of salsa. Yum. That looks good to go to me. It's a nice big taco. Yum. Alright. Make another one. Alright, I got my 2 tacos. Let's do a taste test. That is so good. Oh yeah, I'll definitely be making that again. Woohoo! Nice. There you go. Pulled chicken tacos. I like it. Oh my gosh, that was so good. I loved that. Pulled chicken tacos. I'm definitely making those again. Now it's time for a coffee and to sign off. Still haven't decided where I'm going yet this weekend. I think I've got it knocked down to about 2 or 3 places, so still got to wait another week to see where I'm going because I did another food video. And anyhow, we'll see you guys next week. If you like the video, consider subscribing or hitting the like button or commenting. Anything helps. So take care, guys, and we'll see you next time.